Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mokele. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. The Lord bless you. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding word examples for the consonant letter Q. The consonant letter Q has two symbol sound, okay? The sound has two symbols, the letter K and W, as you can see. But I have a word here that doesn't have the W, that is the Q. Q-U-E, U-E doesn't have the W. You will see in the transcriptions as we progress. So, the consonant letter Q gives the sound as in quiet. Then this one is quiet, be quiet. Then quit, quiz, quest, chew, queen, quick, quadruplex, quadruplex, question, and quote. And we have many more examples. So follow me as I open the slashes now and transcribe them one after the other as we sound them again. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And remember, transcribing word is not meant for only pupils and students. It's good for everybody. This is quiet. You bring in the sound K and W and your height. Quiet. And this one is quiet. Be quiet. That's it. And this one is quit. Do you want to quit? And this one is quiz. And this one is quest. This one is chew. I am on the chew. And this one is queen. She is my queen. This one is quick. Be very quick. This one we change to one sound. And this one is quadruplex. This one is a long word. And this one is question. This one is quote. Good. That's it. So let me close the slashes up and let's sound them. Good. This is quiet. 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 Be quiet. This is quit. Quiz. Quest. Chew. Queen. Quick. Quadruplex. Quadruplex. Question. Question. Quote. Quote. Let me go over it just once more. Quiet. Quiet. Quit. Quiz. Quest. Chew. Queen. Quick. Quadruplex. Quadruplex. Question. Question. And quote. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you.